Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring. There's two different ways to do this. Well, probably more than two, but two main ways that people use. And I personally use both of these methods. It just kind of depends on what yarn I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the first way, which is probably the most common way. And basically you just take your yarn. And what's important here to remember is that the short end is going to be facing you and the long end is going to be facing away from you. So basically you are going to wrap the yarn around your finger twice and make sure that the short end is still facing you, and then take your hook and go underneath both loops like this, and then the loop that's closest to the hook is the one that you're going to pull underneath the first loop like that. Okay, and then you kind of want to hold this ring together while you slip your finger out, and then you have this magic ring. So now if your project said to put 4 single crochet in a magic ring, basically all you would do is go through the ring, pull up a loop, and then do a single crochet like that. And you would just continue doing that, however many times you need to. And this short end can be used to, if you pull on it, it'll tighten the ring. And that is pretty much it for that. And now I'm going to show you the other way to do a magic ring, which is what I normally use if I'm using like fluffy yarn or bulkier yarn. It's just easier, I don't know why. But you're going to make a slip knot, which I have a video on how to do a slip knot if you need more like in detail tutorial on how to do that. And then you're going to chain 2, and then this first chain is going to be treated like your magic ring. So if you have to put 4 single crochet in your magic ring, you would put it into this first chain you made. So it works just kind of the same way as what we just did. It's just a different way to get there. And then you pull on the short end to tighten it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you're a beginner, and check out my channel for more tutorials. I have quite a few beginner friendly tutorials on there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.